Here in the US today, we are celebrating Thanksgiving. And there's a good chance AI helped grow something on your table. Picture the farm that grew your pumpkin pie. In your head, it's probably dirt clods, overalls, maybe an old tractor. Now look closer. Above you, drones sweep over pumpkin fields, sending thousands of images to an AI system that can spot disease before the human eye ever could. Robotic arms move down long rows of vegetables, gently picking each one at the exact right moment. Not too early, not too late. Somewhere in a control room, a farmer who's worked his land for 30 years is looking at data his grandfather couldn't have imagined. AI is already at the table. I'm Chance, and this is AI and the Art of the Possible. Episode 6, The Abundance Moment. I'm Chance Sassano, and this is The Art of the Possible, where I reveal which AI breakthroughs are changing everything and which ones we're getting wrong. For most of human history, farming ran on three things: experience, intuition, and luck. You planted when the weather felt right. You harvested when the crops looked ready. You hoped the rain came on time and the pest stayed away. Today, something shifted. AI-powered drones fly over fields, analyzing crop health in real time. They can pick up water stress, nutrient issues, and early signs of disease, sometimes weeks before anything looks wrong to us. Think of it like a constant aerial health checkup for every plant in the field. On the ground, robotic harvesters roll between the rows. They use computer vision to judge when each fruit or vegetable hits peak ripeness. They don't just clear the field in one pass. They make thousands of tiny decisions. This tomato today, that one tomorrow. Less waste, better flavor, more of what actually makes it to your plate. Behind the scenes, AI systems are crunching everything: soil conditions, local weather patterns, historical yields from that exact field. They suggest when to plant, how much to water, and when to harvest for the best quality and the best odds of success. Early results from these tools are impressive. Some farms using AI-driven systems are seeing crop yields rise as much as 30%, while cutting water use by 20 to 30%. More food, less water, same land. That's not a promise about the future. That's happening on real farms right now. So when you think back to your Thanksgiving meal, the pumpkins in your pie, the cranberries in your sauce, there's a good chance AI touched that food long before you saw it. Not in your kitchen, not in the grocery store, out in the fields where farmers and algorithms are working side by side. And here's what matters most. This isn't a story about replacing farmers. It's about giving them superpowers. A farmer still walks the fields, still makes judgment calls, still carries the risk. But now they can see the problems sooner, use fewer resources, and get more from the land they already have. That's the abundance moment. Not some sci-fi buffet where food appears out of nowhere, but a quiet shift where human wisdom and machine intelligence combine to stretch what's possible from each acre. Thanksgiving has always been about abundance, about harvest, about being grateful for what the earth provides. For the first time in human history, we have tools to help grow more food, waste less, and share the abundance more widely without burning out the planet that feeds us. Farming is still hard work, but AI is helping to make it smarter, more precise, more sustainable. So the next time you pass the mashed potatoes or cut into a slice of pumpkin pie, take a moment to appreciate something you'll never see on the plate: the invisible partnership between human farmers and artificial intelligence that helped make that meal possible. AI didn't cook your dinner, but it helped make sure the ingredients survived the season and made it to your table. I'm Chance Sassano. Thanks for listening to AI and the Art of the Possible. If this sparked a little extra gratitude for what's on your table, share this episode with one person you'd want at your Thanksgiving dinner. Next episode: what if the secret to better AI isn't perfect data? It's the right kind of noise? The heavy metal music moment on AI and the Art of the Possible.